Hello everyone, welcome. Today I want to share with you a quick tip for using Excel. Did you know that Excel has built-in function that can help you easily convert units without having to search for conversion factors online or manually define multipliers? Normally what people do, they go to the Google and search the multiplier. After searching, people apply this formula as a multiplier in Excel to convert units. Don't do that. And let's use Excel built-in functions. For example, let's say you want to convert cubic feet to barrel. Instead of looking up the conversion factor online and manually typing the formula, you can simply use the convert function built in into Excel. To use the convert function, start by typing is equal to convert into a cell in your worksheet, then specify the value or the reference to that cell which has the value. Then within commas, specify the units you are converting from, then comma, then within inverted commas, the units you are converting to. For example, if you want to convert cubic feet to barrel, you would enter is equal to convert the start bracket, give the reference of the cells which has the value, comma, inverted commas, then comma, inverted commas, the unit which you want to convert to, which here is in our case barrel, inverted commas, then close the bracket and press the enter. So in this way, Excel will automatically perform the unit conversion for you, giving you the results in, in the units you specified. This function works with the wide range of the units, including length, mass, time, temperature, and many more. So whether you are working on a science project, managing inventory, or just need to convert units for everyday use, the convert function in Excel can save you time and efforts. That's it for today's quick tip. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on Excel, data science, and many more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.